Hi, my name is author Stephen Magee, and I am the author of Toxic Altitude. And the reason why we're looking at this book is because the Hawaiians have had some problems with the telescopes up there, and that has brought them into contact with Hawaii Police Department, and they've had some unsavory encounters with the Hawaii Police Department. And that is the feature of this video. So I have been trying to obtain some body camera recordings from Hawaii Police Department, and they're refusing to give them to me. And those body camera recordings show a suspected police officer assault on a man at the side of the road. And they're claiming that they can't give it to me because of Hawaii's Uniform Information Practices Act. So they're claiming it's a privacy issue for me to be given these public video recordings. And I say they're public because I have permission to give it to the media, and I am also okay with it being given to the media. The suspect at the side of the road specifically stated he wanted the media contacted. So it's bizarre to me that this is being quoted to me. I'm a little bit mystified why they're quoting that when everyone involved gave their permission for the media release. So anyhow, I reported a 911 call, and in that 911 call I reported the suspected assault. 2 police officers came to my home and gave me this brown folder. I'm going to show you what is in this brown folder. So that's what's inside it. So there's 2 things. There's a Hawaii Police Department incident, and there's a Hawaii Police Department Police Commission complaints form. And most people in the US will know that as internal affairs. So this is an internal affairs complaint form. So they refused to allow me to report it through a 911 call, and they've directed me to internal affairs. So let's have a little look at this. So I found this little slip interesting because you can see kind of what you would expect to be in there is this. But as you read down it tells you how to get your police reports. But at the bottom it's all about tourists. So there's the tourist information. You flip it over, it's all about tourists losing their credit cards and travelers checks through either being lost or stolen. So that seems to be the bulk of their calls. So it seems this form is given out to a lot of tourists that lose or have their stuff stolen in Hawaii. So the second form is this. So this is what I'm in the process of doing. So this is a complaint form. So let's take a little look at this. So you can see kind of has the address of the police commission on there for the county of Hawaii. And there's the complaint section. And it continues over here. And the thing you'll notice is the complaint section is really short. It's probably less than a page. So you got less than a page to tell them what your complaint is. Now I'm on 2 pages of typed complaints, and it may end up being 3, so I'm going to have to attach it. So in here I'm going to have to put see attached form because my complaint is so large. And you got to sign it and you've got to get it notarized. So down here is the notary section. So you got to take it to a place that has a notary and pay to get it notarized. So it's not made to be easy. This form seems to be made to discourage people to file complaints because you have to get it notarized. But that's my only route with the County of Hawaii's Police Department to file a suspected assault by a police officer on a man at the side of the road. Now, if you keep watching this video, I will show you them handing me this brown envelope. And if you keep watching, I will also show you the suspected assault. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I wish you the very best of health. Thank you.
This is going to be the documentation for today that we came here and spoke to you about the matter. And then this is going to be... Oh, shit. It's going to be the form that you need to fill out for the police commission complaint. And then you just follow the directions. You will need to get a notary on it also, I believe. Okay?
Okay.
If you have any questions, that's a non-emergency number I put there in the bottom. That's non-emergency dispatch. You can call them and speak to, request rank or whoever you want to speak to. Okay?
Well, thanks for coming out.
Okay.
I will go ahead.
Yeah, fill that out, and then you want to turn it into the station in town in Calico, or, I mean, not Calico, Calico, or Naalehu.
I'm uncomfortable with going into the police station, so can I mail it?
You might be able to try and follow the directions in there, and if not, because usually, like I said, the complaints are done through rank.
So can I mail it to that address? Cooney Centre, 101 Howie Street.
You might be, if anything, you can try and contact the rank, because normally rank deals with commission complaints. We don't, as patrolmen, deal with it. So
who's rank?
I'd imagine if it's notarized,
yeah,
you send it like registered or certified mail, it should be okay.
Yeah.
You guys okay?
It's a traffic hazard. Get off the road.
I was protecting you guys.
Yeah, we have body cams.
Okay? I was making sure nobody ran you over.
Get your car off the road.
I was protecting you, okay?
You're blocking the traffic.
Okay.